Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at how you can leverage AI in your email marketing with everything related to affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and actually speak about this. I'm going to hop onto my computer, share with you my strategy, and just have a very frank conversation with how you can improve it, utilize these free resources to get more results and conversions in your business. So guys, first and foremost, welcome to the channel. If you're here for the first time, I would really want to welcome you. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because I'm going to be sharing a lot about my strategy. This channel was created to document my journey. I do have a full-time job. I do this on the side and I continuously post 3 times a week videos. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, okay? That being said, I want to go ahead and talk about, we are in 2024 for specifically AI generation. We're at the launch, we're at the beginning of such an amazing technology that we can actually leverage and use to save our time. And I'm all about saving time because I do have a full-time job. I don't want to spend a lot of time on my side hustle. That is why I have a lot of automation in place and use technologies like AI or ChatGPT or Claude or any kind of AI technology out there to be able to leverage and help me with my conversions and my email marketing and everything else. So this is the strategy that you can see on the screen right now that I follow personally. It's a very simple strategy, guys. It goes from a step one, which is basically doing getting cash flow in your business and then investing that cash flow into scaling up and growing it year long. Okay, that's how I look at it. We're looking at it long term. We're not looking at it short term. At least personally, I am not looking at it short term. Maybe you've seen other videos out there on affiliate marketing and specifically email marketing that just is on quick money. That's not my journey specifically. It is following this strategy to the T. And that's what I've been doing for 2023. I started to enter into the mindset of using ChatGPT and also other, basically AI technology to be able to leverage in my day-to-day. But there are two skill sets when it comes to affiliate marketing at the end of the day, as I look at it. The first is advertising. So when you figure out how to advertise, whether it's using, social media, whether it's using paid advertising, advertising is the first skill set. The second skill set is related to copywriting. Why do I talk about copywriting or basically copy? Because copy is used in your videos, in your emails, in everything that we actually do because it helps with our communication and conversions. I personally use email marketing as my core element and focus on the conversions and the copy and the statistics based on that to be able to get the best results possible. Now, I go over this entire strategy in my course. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. You'll find the essential skill sets, as I already spoke about today, in the course below. So you can find that link in the description. But let me go ahead and share with you how I personally use my email marketing strategy. Email marketing, guys, for me is essential in the first step and the second step in my entire strategy. So in my first step, I have basically partnered up, you can say, with a platform that gives me 100 to 200 leads every single day. So it's taking care of the advertising and all I need to do is email those leads to be able to convert the offer that I have into a sale. That's my whole core element right there. And therefore, email marketing is very crucial in step one. It's very crucial for me in step two as well, because it's part of my entire sales process. Now, how do I leverage ChatGPT or any kind of AI for that matter? If you're using another AI, you can still use it to be able to get better conversions. First and foremost, I want to share very simply my thoughts on this. AI shouldn't be a copy paste method, guys. I know that there are lots of videos out there talking about, you can copy this strategy, paste it in Canva and do certain things with, yes, it is possible to do that, but will you get the best conversions? That is something that I personally do not agree that you'll get the best conversions. Why? Because we're in the beginning stages. So as you get more AI content out there and do purely AI content, it's going to be harder and harder with time. But if you add your own personal element, whether you learn the skill sets of actually having a voice, having a certain message, having a certain mission within your whole purpose of marketing, that's going to be communicated through the emails that you send out, through the copy that you have, whether it's your sales copy, whether it is your email copy. Okay. That being said, as we do that, we are also improving the way we write. We're saving time by leveraging the whole content that we get, and then we're improving it. Then what we can do is take the emails that do work and start to rephrase them and do it again and do it again and repeat the whole sales process once again all over. So that is the entire process that I follow specifically. It's not very complicated. I go over it in the course so you can check it out there, but I just want to show you my strategy in itself. So let's say that I pick up, an email. So here, guys, is the best way, in my opinion, to use ChatGPT. Whether you have to understand that any kind of AI technology is a conversational based technology that we're using. So make sure that your prompts are conversation and then start to improve. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. At the end of the day, the technology will make a mistake. You can understand it and communicate with it to be able to get the best out of the information that you need. So let's say put a subject email, for example, that I've added here. And then I've said, can you make a 100-word email? And ChatGPT has written me a 100-word email. Then I say, state the main benefits of the content that I shared. It's stating the main benefits. Then I've said, now write 3 emails based on these benefits. Each email make it 1 point. So I'm now condensing the information to get the most, right? So I'm using the information, which is a lot, to concise, to squeeze it up into one specific email and then be able to take that email away. So this is the kind of emails that they've posted for me, they've given me. And now I take these emails and I add it to a document that I have and then start to edit it here. Okay, so that is what I'm pretty much doing, adding a conversational element to it, adding an element of my story. These are important aspects to connect. Your aim is not to copy paste it. Your aim is to build a relationship. If you don't like the style, let's say you've copied the basic idea right here, you add it into a Google Doc and you edit it and stuff like that, and you don't like the wording or you don't feel like your language is as professional as possible, that's okay. You can just copy the email that you have, go back to ChatGPT, add the information there, and just say, can you make it improve the information that I've shared right now? So already your content is unique. You're using ChatGPT to improve your skills, your or your conversational style, your email marketing style, and you're able to then now take that information and start to apply it, whether it is applying it in step 1 in my Legion Secrets. And if you want to know more about that, you can find out on Mondays because I do post videos about it. Or if you want to find out on your email campaign. Let's say a lot of my business, for example, the way I structure my affiliate marketing is automated. So I do look at my email campaigns and I try to improve the statistics behind that. Maybe the subject line is not the best. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to get ideas. I'm going to use ChatGPT to write the emails for me. I'm going to use ChatGPT to make those edits. But at the same time, I'm also copying that information and then adjusting it according to my specific message, to my specific purpose. If it's too much of a hype email, I'm not going to send it. So always have your human aspect, I believe, within your email marketing conversions. And these essentials are super important. So that being said, I go over these strategies within my course itself. The link is in the description of this video. This strategy, I'm just going to go to Warrior Plus so that you guys can see very openly. This strategy has personally got me. Let me go to sales report so that you guys can see. I started this entire strategy in March 2023. And you can see every single month the consistency that it has been giving me. So I started off, initially just picking it up. And over the next 3 months of applying this strategy and of applying these techniques, leveraging my time. Remember, I spent 30 minutes of my day doing this. That's all. And you can see the growth that is there. January, I made a $500 per month. This month, I'm already at 340, and it's going to definitely get to 500 in my opinion. So it's getting more consistent and more predictable income coming in. It's not going to be a straight line, but you are doing everything right and you're improving along the way. This is not procrastinating on your efforts, but you are actually improving them as you go along. So as I said, everything is in the course. I just wanted to give you guys an idea that, leverage AI technology. Do not keep it on the side. We're at a time where we can leverage this technology. You can even get the paid version, have your, advertising copy being done by ChatGPT itself. You can use other AI technologies, but apply this in your day-to-day and your marketing because it's going to make a difference. So that's how I personally apply it in my strategy. If you want to learn more, again, link is in the description. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was educational, helpful. If you have any questions, if you want some prompts or something like that, let me know and I will definitely get back to you in future videos about it. Okay, so have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on Monday for another video.